Friends, is sort of the natural state of affairs. Cattle and birds. Some years there's, I don't know what they're called, there's these white birds that'll show up and they'll do that. They'll land on the cattle's back and they'll pick the cows clean. Flies and bugs and whatever else. The cattle certainly don't mind. They can't hardly reach that stuff themselves. Chicken likes it. Get something yummy to eat. She's doing it to Yellow. Jojo. Jojo and little Jojo. Now find something yummy on the ground. Alrighty friends, I'm gonna get back to work. I am cleaning the corral, this part of the corral. This is where we keep the milk cow at night and milk her. Wrong way, sorry. There she is, she's ready to milk, she's waiting on me. And there's Leia. Hey Leia, say hi to the camera. Wow, yeah, she's glad to see everybody. So, yeah, no, I clean this area every morning. We haul it off. We just go ahead and spread it right away. The buckets are easier than the tubs. Tubs we've got to load onto something. Keeps this spot clean. Big compartments we'll clean out with the tractor. Now that chicken's still in there. Yeah, that was a little Jojo, that white tannish colored calf next to the yellow cow. She's real inquisitive, real smart. Alrighty friends, everybody have a great day and we'll catch you later. Bye.